Welcome to my channel. Amped Wireless RTA15 Router Setup. Plug in the power adapter to the router and turn it on. Connect the modem to the router's WAN Internet port using an Ethernet cable. Connect your computer or laptop to the router using another Ethernet cable or via Wi-Fi. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox. Type http://setup.ampedwireless.com or 192.168.3.1 in the address bar. Log in, default credentials, username :admin, password :admin. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the router. Choose your Wi-Fi network name SSID and set a secure password. Guest network, set up a separate network for guests. Parental controls, restrict access to certain websites. QoS, quality of service, prioritize bandwidth for specific devices. After configuring, save settings and reboot the router. Reconnect devices using the new Wi-Fi credentials. Thanks for watching.